let's talk about communication. Everyone has unique communication style in which they interact with one another. There are 4 basic communication styles. There's passive, there's aggressive, passive-aggressive, and assertive. Passive communication is a pattern of avoiding the expression of one's opinions or feelings. As a result, passive individuals do not respond overtly to triggering situations. They allow problems to mount, usually unaware of the pressure or buildup. Once they have reached their highest threshold for unacceptable behavior, they become prone to explosive outbursts that don't usually match the activating event. After the outburst happens, guilt, shame, and confusion set in, so they return to being passive again. Examples of passive communicating statements, beliefs, or behaviors might be, I get stepped on by everyone, or people never consider my feelings. On the other hand, aggressive communication is a style in which individuals express their feelings and opinions and advocate for their needs in a way that violates the rights of others. People who develop an aggressive style of communicating tend to be viewed as abusive. Aggressive communicators will often dominate, control, criticize, and humiliate others. Aggressive communicators have low frustration tolerance, resulting in blaming others instead of owning their issues. For example, I'm superior and right, and you're inferior and wrong, or it's all your fault. Passive-aggressive communication is a style in which individuals appear passive on the surface, but are really acting out of anger in a subtle, indirect way. People who develop a pattern of passive-aggressive communication usually feel incapable of dealing with others directly. Instead, they express their frustrations behind the scenes, undermining the source, real or imagined, of their resentment. Passive-aggressive statements, beliefs, or behaviors might be, I will appear cooperative, but I'm actually not. Or, I'm powerless to deal with you head-on, so I need to use mind games. Assertive communication is a style in which individuals clearly state their opinions and feelings, while advocating for their rights and needs without violating the rights of others. Assertive communicators value themselves, their needs, and are strong advocates for themselves while being very respectful of the rights of others. An assertive communicator's statements, belief, or behaviors might be, I can't control others, but I can control myself. Or, I speak clearly, honestly, and to the point. Keep in mind that most of us don't use a single communication style in every interaction. They are simply tools that we use to communicate in hopes our needs will be met. Assertive communication tends to be the most effective because it incorporates what most of us agree are the healthiest aspects of communication. Next, it might be helpful for you to think about how you tend to communicate with others and what communication styles you prefer in return. Thank you for being here. We'll see you soon.